Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick Gaska and welcome to I Could Do That DIY. Today we're doing a super easy project that anyone can do. Today we're putting up some shelves, more specifically bracket shelves. You just need a few things, which include a piece of wood, bracket shelves, a screwdriver with some drill bits to drill some holes in your wall, some, what are they called? Drywall anchors, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's a super easy project, and yeah, let's go do it. Okay, let's measure and mark the board with our desired shelf measurement. I did mine 3 feet long. Wear the proper safety equipment. Let's cut some wood. Mark the screw positions of the bracket shelf. I'm doing mine 8 inches in from the edge. Pre-drill the screw positions for the brackets. Tape off the drill bit to desired depth. Sand everywhere. I'm starting with a 120 grit sandpaper and working my way up to 220 grit sandpaper. I will be using an orbital sander, but you can do this by hand as well. Sorry this is so out of focus, but grab some wood screws. We're going to be using these to make some screw legs to help elevate the board while we're finishing. Alright, looks good. Ready to finish. Prep your space for finishing. Apply 3 coats of polyurethane. Sand after the first and second coat, allowing the polyurethane to dry at least 2 hours before sanding. I'm going to start with the bottom and then flip over and do the top. Okay, while that's drying, let's go ahead and install the bracket shelves. Decide the location of your shelf and then measure and mark the location of the bottom hole of the bracket. Use a level to mark the location of the other side. I am also using a post-it just to help me keep track of where the marking is. Pre-drill for drywall anchors. Hammer in drywall anchors. Mark and measure the top screw positions. Use a level to keep straight and level. Okay, again the same thing. Let's pre-drill for the drywall anchors and then hammer in the drywall anchors. Okay, let's go ahead and screw in the brackets. If you want to know how to make that awesome clock on the wall, I'll put a link in the description below as well as somewhere on the screen. And the brackets are installed. Just seeing how it looks with the piece of scrap board. Looks good. And I'm just going to check it with the level. Sand everywhere again. Wipe away any dust before applying the second coat. Okay, apply the second coat. After that's all dry, let's sand everywhere one more time. Wipe away dust and then apply the final coat. Next, let's go ahead and remove the screw legs. Alright, time to install the shelf. We're going to be screwing in from the bottom. The bracket shelf is complete. Yeah, look how nice that looks. It can hold a screwdriver. Oh my god. So here's the finished bracket shelf. I really like the way it turned out. It looks pretty good. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope it helped. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest projects. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!